Every single morning, millions of kids pour milk on their cereal or drink a cold glass with breakfast. But here is something really amazing. Before that milk reached your fridge, it went on an incredible journey.
From a cow on a farm all the way to your kitchen. And some seriously big machines help make it happen. Want to find out how? Let's go to the dairy farm. On a dairy farm, the most important animals are the cows, and not just any cows.
These are special dairy cows, and the most famous kind is called a Holstein. That is the classic black and white cow you have probably seen in pictures.
A dairy cow is really amazing. Every single day, one cow can produce enough milk to fill around 35 glasses.
That is enough milk for a whole classroom of kids. Dairy cows eat grass and special feed all day long, and farmers take really good care of them because happy, healthy cows make the most milk.
Now here comes the first big machine, the milking machine.
Farmers used to milk cows by hand, which took a very long time. But today, most farms use giant milking machines that can milk dozens of cows at the same time. The cows walk into a special room called a milking parlor, and the machine gently collects the milk.
Some of the most modern farms even use milking RO bots.
The cow just walks up whenever she feels ready, and the robot does everything automatically. It scans the cow, recognizes her, and knows exactly what to do. How cool is that? A robot that milks cows. After milking, the fresh milk goes straight into a giant refrigerated storage tank, and it has to get cold really fast. Fresh milk needs to be cooled down to just 4 degrees Celsius within 2 hours of milking.
That is colder than your fridge at home. This keeps the milk safe and fresh.
Then a big milk tanker truck arrives at the farm. These trucks are like giant thermoses on wheels. They collect all the cold, fresh milk and drive it to the next stop on the journey, the dairy factory. At the dairy factory, the milk goes through some very important steps. First, it gets pasteurized. That is a big word that means the milk is heated up just enough to make it completely safe to drink, then cooled down again quickly.
Then it gets homogenized, which means it is pushed through tiny holes at high pressure, so the cream misses evenly through all the milk.
After that, machines fill thousands of cartons and bottles every single hour on the giant conveyor belt, moving so fast you can barely see it. Labels get put on, lids go on. And then the bottles get loaded onto another big truck and driven to supermarkets everywhere.
And that is how a glass of milk travels from a cow on a farm all the way to your breakfast table. So now you know the whole amazing journey of milk. It starts with a happy dairy cow eating grass on a farm.
Then the milking machine, or milking robot, collects it. It goes into a giant cold storage tank. A huge tanker truck picks it up and drives it to the factory. Machines pasteurize it, homogenize it, and bottle it up at incredible speed. Another truck delivers it to the shop, and then it lands in your fridge, ready for your cereal or your glass of cold milk.
Next time you take a sip, think about all those cows, all those machines, and all those people who work together just for you. Pretty amazing, right? If you want to see more incredible things from the farm, stay with us, because next time we are going to meet the biggest machine on the entire farm. The one that harvests 1 million seeds all at once. You do not want to miss it.